Hello everybody, Dustin and Angelyn Hodgkin here. We are your instructors for the Core Communication Workshop through the Institute for Continued Learning, starting in 2 days. We just wanted to film a quick little video so everybody can have an idea of who we are, what you can expect from the 6-week workshop, and how to best be prepared for our first session in 2 days. We've made a few changes to the course. We'll be meeting for 6 sessions rather than 8. So we won't have class on the 10th of October. We'll be celebrating our son's 12th birthday, and we won't be meeting on Halloween. So our last class will be October 24th.
We also prefer to keep the course to about an hour and a half. So the schedule currently says 5 to 7, but we're hoping to dismiss about 6:30.
Okay, a little bit of background on our education and professional experience. I have been in private practice as a marriage and family therapist for the past 10 years. I specialize in working with couples and parents. When I'm not meeting with my clients, we really enjoy being together as a family, being active. I play disc golf tournaments with my 2 sons, with our sons. We enjoy training Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. We've got 300 square feet of mats that we set up in our garage, and my wife even trains. We also enjoy motorcycling, playing the acoustic guitar. But what brought us to St. George was actually pickleball. We tried to go pro, but we couldn't make the cut, and it was bad for our marriage to play together.
I have a degree in outdoor recreation management, and I enjoy running races with my oldest son. I'm going to be doing the St. George Marathon in a few weeks.
The format for this workshop, over the course of the 10 years that we've been facilitating the couple communication and the core communication workshop, we found that the feedback we've been given is the participants really enjoy more of an interactive community experience, more like a support group rather than a lecture. So be prepared to just come, relax, share your experience with the content from the workbook that you've read. We'll be sharing back and forth your experiences with the exercises, self-assessments, and worksheets that are at the end of each chapter, 9 of the 10 chapters.
We also want to reassure you that anything that we do in class is all voluntary, so you're never going to be required to participate in something that you don't feel comfortable doing.
When you're doing the interactive, practicing the process of using the awareness wheel and the listening cycle, you'll be doing it either with your spouse if you are coming with a partner, or we would like to have you mix it up and interact with each other as fellow students, participants in the workshop. So that will be at least half of our time together, is giving you opportunities to practice the process and to receive feedback and coaching from us, but as well as feedback from your peers. And something to keep in mind, anytime you're using the awareness wheel, it's never about resolving the issue or the problem. We want everybody to keep feedback to the proficiency and the thoroughness of the skills, not on solving each other's lives, because that sometimes happens in this workshop. Okay, how to prepare for our first session. Read the preface and the introduction, complete the pre-questionnaire and the worksheet on Roman numeral 11, and skim chapters 1 and 2. We realize that's a lot. We're going to be taking a deeper dive into chapters 1 and 2 during our time together. And we'll also be handing out a hard copy schedule for each of you, so you know what we're going to be covering on which day.
It will come to you in email, but we know some of you like the hard copies too, so we'll have those available to you.
Okay, wrapping it up. There are 14 of you registered for the workshop this fall. We're really excited to meet each of you. We recognize that we're the youngsters in the group, being 40 years old, so we're really excited to learn together.
Where we're going to be, north end of campus in the COE, the College of Education, in room 203.
And for those of you who are planning to go to the rodeo, we'll make sure to end promptly so you can make it on time. See you Thursday.
I completed a degree, and I completed a degree.
She did. What was it in?
Married. Not
Oh,
married.
you did?
Dusty.